Hey guys, what is up? It's me, back again with another tutorial. So basically, the first tutorial was a little bit trash. I fully acknowledge and admit that it was a little bit trash. So I'm gonna basically be trying to the best of my abilities, of course, to reenact it in a way that makes me look a little bit wiser in this sort of, I guess you could say, skill set, if you would. I'm going to start off very simple, very basic, with a handstand jubilation, kind of like a kind of mix up. So handstand, basically real simple. You just kind of you go in front of your body and you kick onto the ground. You go in front of your body like this. Right, but like it's pretty simple and efficient to just like, if you're with your friends and you want to show off, like if you're feeling good about yourself, and go ahead and try it at home, whatever, in the kitchen, in the bathtub, doesn't really matter because you'll probably fall anyway. You basically want to just worry about your balance and actually make sure to kind of like claw the ground a little bit, because we don't have heels. These are heels, soles, heels. We don't have those, so on our hands. So basically what you want to do is you want to claw the ground a little bit. Watch the difference when I claw the ground and when I don't. This is not clawing the ground. This is clawing the ground. There's a much difference. So now that we've got that underway, I'm going to teach you how to walk handstand style. I'm kind of almost in the bolt position, but not quite. So you want to run a little bit, and then you know what I mean? And that is so impressive. Your friends will be asking you how you learned that, and then you're going to be showing them this video, and I'm going to get rich. So basically, that's the format of that. Now that we've got that underway, I'm going to show you the proper back bridge. Last time I failed to demonstrate the back bridge, and I feel sorry about that because it wasn't very good. So I kind of want to make it up to y'all a little bit, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna do it properly this time. Oh, just gotta kind of loosen up those joints a little bit, right? Like you just want to relax a little bit. Oh, yeah. Loosen that inner self a little bit. Oh, yeah. Just like do a little bit of a circular. Try to match your memory with the circle you were making with your toes. And you should be able to do it like this.